Moikka! I am Mari from Taika Journals. Welcome to my channel. A couple of weeks ago, I made this mini art session for busy days, and this was so much fun. And today, let's continue. So, I will do something similar like this is, but still a bit different. I will use one of these pages. First, some painting with watercolors, then let's add acrylic marker, and then the paper decorations. So yes, I am so excited that I have time to do this today, and let's start the art fun. Hope you enjoy the video. If you have watched my videos before, you might have noticed that I always love to hang stuff from the sky. So I made this little sheet full of whimsies. So you can draw the yarn from the sky, or you can use a real yarn to hang these. I think I will choose a couple of these and then I will put them to the picture. Yes, let's see where this takes us. And now let's continue with the acrylic marker decorations. Now it is finished, and let's take this cover off. How fun was that? I always enjoy when I get to do some whimsy art. And this time it was a mini art session, and what a lovely moment that was. And another bright and joyful page this turned out to be. How lovely. Yes, but next time let's do this page and we will see what happens then. And once this is finished, this is so handy to attach to the journal page with a paper clip. And then you have like many little art pieces. But yes, I wish you many magical and happy art moments, and thank you so much for watching, and a warm thank you also to the Taika Patreon creative community. Until next time, moi moi!